Hey everyone, my name's Donnie, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use USU's new faculty tool. Step 1 is locate the invite that you were emailed. This should be in your inbox, but it could also be in your junk or spam folder. Once you've got it, we'll click this giant red button and we'll get started. Since we're new, we're going to choose sign up at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to use the email where the invitation was sent. For me, then we're going to choose a strong password. We've got some parameters here just to make sure it's strong enough. So type your chosen password in. And when you're done, hit continue. Here we are. This is USU's new faculty tool. And let's take a minute and make sure all of our general information is okay. So I'll check my name, perfect. My college, awesome. My title, my courses that we'll add in just a moment. We'll add my phone number in a moment. Just making sure the email address is okay, my state of residency, and then my hire date. Everything looks great. So let's add some courses. You'll have a longer list of courses to select, so just keep scrolling until you find all the courses that you've taught within the last 6 months and add them here. Next, I'll add my phone number. And then I'll choose save. There we go. All of our general information is up to date. Now let's move on to credentials. So credentials is where you add, you guessed it, any professional credentials that you need. So to add a new credential, we'll click Add a New Credential. We'll select the credential from the dropdown. For me, that's a credentialed teacher. I'll add my credential number. I'll add the state that I'm credentialed in, the year that I obtained the credential, and then the expiration date of the credential. The next step is to upload a copy of your credential. Here's mine. Terrific. Now I just submit it. As you can see, my credential is under review. As soon as it's approved, it'll say approved here. And right now, we're good to go. Next, let's take a look at the education page. You might see your previous education already here, but if not, or if you want to add a new degree, we just select Add a New Degree, select the correct degree from the dropdown, add your concentration, add your school name, type in the year you completed the degree, and then make sure to request official transcripts from your university. So in my case, I would call or email Kansas State University and request that my transcripts be sent to United States University. I'll select the box, choose Submit, and as you can see, my new education submission is under review. As soon as the transcripts are received, it'll be approved and I'll be able to see it here. Next, let's take a look at field experience. Adding field experience is super simple. We'll click Update Field Experience. Next, we'll just select if it's full-time or part-time experience. And then we'll add our full-time or part-time experience description in this box below. Once you've typed in those details, just click Submit. And it's visible in the table. If you need to add some part-time field experience, you can do the same thing, just select part-time, add your description, choose Submit, and it will show up as well. Now let's take a look at the resume section. To upload a resume, simply click Update Resume. Choose a headline. I like to choose my name and the year. And then you can select a file, or you can even drop and drag one. There we go. Click submit, and I'm all set. Thanks so much for letting me show you how to use USU's new faculty tool. You'll log back in here to update your credentials yearly, your field experience, your resume, or change general information. If you need any help, feel free to email us at the support email you see on the screen right now. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.